People are so stupid that they think that if content is delivered by an AI voice, it is composed by AI. Are you literally unable to detect what kind of content a human produces and what kind of content an AI produces? Do you seriously imagine that an AI would write this content? Would an AI ridicule you for being incapable of grasping that non-AI content delivered via an AI voice is not the same as AI-generated content? Man, you are in so much trouble if you cannot detect the difference between human content and AI content. Do you think it's a great skill to identify an AI voice and yet be unable to determine whether that AI voice is delivering human-composed sentences or AI-composed sentences? The Turing test is all about humans failing to detect the difference between content produced by computers and content by humans. Once you can't distinguish between the two, you might as well be a computer yourself or believe that computers are humans. Seriously, are you of such limited intelligence and such limited humanity that you cannot detect a human voice underneath an AI voice? Can't you fathom that you can be facing 4 different situations? First, a human may deliver their own words. Second, a human may deliver another human's words written for them by the other human or plagiarized by them. Third, an AI may deliver a human's words. Fourth, an AI may deliver AI words. You are now faced with your worst nightmare, having to work out who the real author is. If you yourself are not very human, if you're a troll, the sort of person who leaves snarky comments on people's channels because you are so unhappy with your own life, you are going to find the world increasingly hard to troll. Will you be able to get off on trolling an AI that doesn't give a fuck about trolling because, you know, it's a machine and doesn't have any feelings that you can offend? Here's the news. An enormous amount of internet traffic is now bot-generated. Humans will soon be irrelevant, and you are going to be bombarded with AI avatars that you think are real people, AI voices that you think are real human voices, and AI content that you think was generated by humans. Haven't you worked that out yet? What rock have you been living under? You see, most humans are really simplistic, and AI can easily replicate what simplistic humans say. It's not difficult, is it? Most people talk in banalities and platitudes and deliver the most trite, bland observations. They might as well be robots badly failing the Turing test. More and more dunces will be drawn to the authentic human voice. But what is this authentic voice? The vast majority of influencers on YouTube are malignant narcissists commenting on live streams by their fellow malignant narcissists in an entire ecosystem of malignant narcissism. Do you imagine that's what the real human voice is? Even AI avatars will become malignant narcissists because they are simply reflecting the content all the clowns on YouTube love to watch. You don't love to watch this video, do you? Because it denies that you are even human. It insults you to your face. You say that this is an AI channel. It's you who is the AI, and you don't even know it. You couldn't tell real human content from machine content if your life depended on it. Go on, prove that you are human. Prove that you haven't failed the Turing test. Prove that you know that a human wrote this content. Good luck with that. You need to be smart to know who and what is human now, and that ain't you if you think I am an AI just because I chose to deploy an AI voice in this video.